I sleep in a device called a BEMER, and I usually start my day off with an 8-minute session before I get out of bed. This is what it looks like. If you're interested in knowing about it, you can click on the link in the description or at the end of the video. Right outside my bedroom is a double bush of centinela. This is called the mosquito plant because when you wet it, it releases a very fragrant mosquito repellent. And you can buy centinela on Amazon or in different stores, but this bush provides all the protection that I need. I'm finally getting some cantaloupes on this bush, and strawberries are kind of slowing down. I need to get out here and put some kind of fertilizer on all of these things. It's coming up on the 2-week mark where I need to fertilize again. So at first I wasn't fertilizing at all, and then I was listening to Epic Gardening, and they told me that I should be doing that. I tried a hack that I heard from the gardening channel with JP, and it said to cut off the zucchini before it got too big so that the plant would think that it still needed to produce, that it hadn't fulfilled its goal yet. So I've been doing that, and the zucchini has continued to produce very well. That's my Tiny Tim tomatoes. I don't want to talk about it. I'm about to make another pot of collards, and I'm going to add some turnip bottoms to it. Root vegetables are really good for me. It has a lot of fiber. It's low in calories, makes me feel full, and it goes real good with the greens. So I'm going to do that with neck bones. This is another one of those little burpee melons. It's a watermelon, and it is spreading real good. It has lots of babies on it, so it's called a sugar baby. So I'm real hopeful. The broccoli and the Brussels sprouts are getting bigger. I think I finally identified what they are. They have a distinct taste already. The turnips and sunchokes are coming along. The turnips look like they just might survive. And the sunchokes are supposed to have little flowers on them, but I haven't seen that yet. This is my first time ever trying to grow them, and I am not quite sure what to expect. My kale transplant from the Arrow Garden, and also some beautiful hot tiny peppers over here that we can just crush up and make into pepper flakes. And now the potatoes, I don't really want to talk about them either. Here's my fruitless sweet potato, and also the burpee cantaloupes. They're getting bigger, and not putting anything out yet, but they're getting Okay, that was my little update for today. Have a great day. Just enjoy the sunshine and think about how everything grows, and we can eat all of these things, and it takes very little effort.